We all want to live happy and fulfilling lives, yet do things that work against us. In this video, we uncover 5 healthy habits you should do daily. Number 1. Exercise. It doesn't matter who you are, you need to exercise daily to live a healthy lifestyle. At the very least, this should be to walk at a brisk pace for at least 30 minutes a day. Doing so will help your body feel healthier and stronger, but also help to improve your mental health and performance. So don't hesitate and go out for a walk starting today. You'll be thankful later down the line. Number 2. Journal. Journaling can be extremely beneficial to our lives if done correctly. It can help you organize your activities and take control working towards a goal using to-do lists. Or it can help you improve your mental health as you write down how you feel and release some of the emotions onto paper. You can do this using traditional pen and paper, or you can get an app specifically designed for this. Number 3. Eat healthy. Much like doing exercise, eating healthy is critical to leading a healthy lifestyle, not just physically but also mentally. If you don't eat properly, you'll potentially have numerous health issues that will take a toll on your mental well-being. So ensure you have a balanced diet, incorporating carbohydrates, protein, healthy fats, fruit and veg, and natural sugars. When consumed in balance, it can help you function at your best and stave off illness, leading to a longer and happier life. Number 4. Have a morning and nighttime routine. How you start and end your day is critical to leading a healthy lifestyle, as it can set you up for the most successful day. Incorporate activities that help you relax and care for your well-being, such as doing activities such as meditation. You can also incorporate other healthy habits into this time, such as eating a healthy breakfast and doing exercise. Ensure you maintain a routine, as we're creatures of habit and need to naturally sleep and wake up at the same time daily to sync our circadian rhythm or body clock. Number 5. Have a growth mindset. Progress equals happiness and growth is progress. Always have a growth or beginner's mindset in life. Expand your knowledge by reading books, taking online courses, watching documentaries, reading about your industry, and learning from others. In this scenario, you can view a challenge as an opportunity and push yourself to go beyond your comfort zone to achieve the extraordinary. Doing so will help you accomplish amazing feats, giving you a dopamine boost which will help make you feel happier in life. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads.